Whoa! What is that? Is it an ice cream cone?
Oh, that's a dinosaur! Oh, I found a dinosaur.
Is that a gummy hamburger? Oh my goodness. Okay.
Can you open it up?
Yes.
Whoa, I got...
No, I'm just taking a real ice cream.
I got two.
Oh my goodness!
Dinosaur,
Ooh,
and
those
I
smell
got six.
strawberry-ish.
I'm gonna eat them right
Oh, it's ice cream inside.
Get it out.
Get it out. There's 3 of them, so you have to take them apart. There's chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. It's called a Napoleon.
Ready to go?
Yes, you can eat them.
Now?
Yes, you can eat them.
Now?
Good
What?
day.
Really?
I got 2 each. I got one in here, but I ate it.
Is that good? You like it?
Alright, here we go, guys. There you go.
Thank you, Auntie.
Happy Easter.
Yeah.
You guys say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter, Daddy.
Presley, do you like all your Easter eggs? I'm running out. This is awesome.
Oh, who are you?